So when we're open water trolling, one of the most important things you want to do starting off the day is cover the entire water column. The easiest way to do that is what I call the down rod. And I typically like to use a 3-ounce bottom bouncer in this 25-30 foot range. It gives me positive confirmation of where the bottom is. I can feel it. And most importantly, it gives me a really good heads up of what the current is doing. And subsurface current in the Great Lakes bodies of water is so key to affecting all the rest of your spread. You can do it several ways, just by the feel of the drag of that bottom bouncer in the water. Definitely the angle. You typically want something like a 45-degree angle, and you can just do it with your line counter. You may know from fishing that at 30 foot of water you're roughly 50 feet out and where you want to be, and the current is normal. That can vary greatly. So don't be afraid to utilize just a rod right behind the boat. It also covers that area behind the boat, which you're typically missing with your boards, and this rod catches a lot of fish.
Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button and click on the bell to stay up to date with the latest tips and techniques to help you get the next bite.